Good afternoon, Miss G. Gabriel. Our topic for today is camera arts, and I discuss it. The two-dimensional art, drawing, painting, printmaking, imaging, photography, film, video, and digital art. Camera arts. Camera arts is a technology has revolutionized the visual arts throughout history. Artists have tried to imitate nature. Since the early 19th century, people have been able to capture nature because of the technological advancements. Video art. Artists has appropriate TV to make video art. Digital art. Artists use computer to make digital. Camera art. Camera art is a genre of cinematography that unites the creative efforts of the director, set designer, and cameraman. In the planning and shooting of a motion picture or television, film can be used to depict an object, and it details a phenomenon, and it separates elements and gesture and facial mimicry, various types of motion, as well as the tempo and speed of motion and optical magnification. The sense of the episodes of a complete film represent as a visual montage, a kind of vertical pictures that unfolds on the screen. The durations of each sequence per frame appearing on the screen is limited, therefore it is important to organize and direct the viewer's attention and to create the presentation effects in order to solve the problem. Moving cameras and variable focal lenses. Zoom lenses are used as special techniques including angle shots, lightning effects, and foreshortening. Photography. Photography is a science and art. Photography is a matter of selection and interpretation. The word photography comes from the Greek word meaning to write with light. Photosensitive, light-sensitive prints. An example of photography captured by Ansel Adams, Moon and Half Dome. And this one is Earthrise. Cameras. The camera is similar to the human eye, as shown in the figure 8 to 4. Ang camera is similar daw sa mata sa tao, at shown in the 8 to 4 a picture. The opening in the camera through which is light passes. Shutter. The mechanism that opens and closes the feature. Candid. A photograph is which light and motion is captured. Film. A type of photosensitive surface which is used for recording photographs. Telephotography lens magnify far away object and tend to collapse space. Wide angle lenses allow a broad with a view object within a confined area. Film. Emulsion and an active layer of small particle of a photosensitive silver, salt, and suspended in gelatin. Negative film which has been exposed to light and mechanically treated. Area of light and dark are reversed on a negative exposure time that have photosensitive material is used to light. Ang exposure time that have photosensitive is exposed daw sa light. Digital photography. Digital photography is translate visual image to digital info which is recorded on a disk. There are advantage and disadvantage, and the advantage is no need to dial with film, immediate magnification, can manipulate the image on a computer, can print them yourself. The disadvantage is do not have to sharpness of film unless you can afford a very expensive digital art. Unless nga makapalit ka sa camera nga expensive and very nice. Files are large, cannot always obtain the quality of film. Di siya makahatag og nindot nga quality. The camera obscura was literally a covered box or dark room with a pinhole to project light and image of the opposite wall. The image is projected upside down, used to trace a scene and get the correct perspective. The example of the camera obscura. The camera obscura is kung sa ato pa is projector in nga mo naa siya circle sa tong nga mo show siya og video or pictures nga pwede siya mas slideshow. Okay, proceed. The negative, invented in 1939 by British scientist William Henry Fox Talbot. Producer places an objective on a piece of light-sensitive paper, expose the arrangement to light. Called them photogenic drawings. Image has reverse and inverted black and white reverse. Also made by the first contact paint by placing the negative on a record sheet of light-sensitive paper and exposing both of them to light. The example of the negative, ang sa inyong nakita is white ra o black, sa kilid black, sa front sa picture is white. Proceed. Autochrome, invented by Louis Lumar in 1907. Glass plates coated with 3 layers of yeast potato starch that serve as color filter. The example of autochrome. Mura siya picture nga kinaraan. Muna siya ang example sa autochrome na ibabae galing sa kilit. Portraits. Photography made portraits available to the middle classes. Become popular in the 1850s. Uso siya sa 1850s. Nadra Gaspar Felix Internation. Portrait, sample of portrait. Another example. Usa ka babae nga focus na dyan na ang portrait sa usa ka object kung unsa ang picturean. Proceed. Photojournalism. Photojournalism is realize the capacity of the news media to bring realistic presentation of important events before the public eyes. Alexander Gardner first used the camera to record major historical events such as the U.S. Civil War. The example of photojournalism, nasa kilid kay mga tao nga namatay tungod sa war, because of the war, U.S. Civil War, na mama og duha ka bata og mga tao. And also the example, photography as an art form. Photography as an art form. In 1902, Alfred Stieglitz founded the Photo Sessions, a group dedicated to advancing photography as a spirit art form. Photography has the capacity to stir us. Our relationship to photography is intimate because photography shows us frozen image in time. We wonder about what has come before or what happened after. An example of photography as an art form. Dagan kay iring. Photography as an art form. See William Wigman's photograph. Blue period in 1981. An example of photography as an art form. Photography daw kay mura dog art form. So form ra mura purma. So ahead, stop ahead, and picture. Cinematography. Cinematography, the art of making motion pictures. Motion pictures do not really move. The audience is shown 16 to 24 still pictures or frames per second. Slow motion is achieved by filming 100 or more frame per second and playing it back at the normal 16 to 24 per second. As you can see, the first pictures, an example of cinematographic pictures. As you can see, the first picture ng kabayo kay naganam-anam siya og dagan to sabot sa third or fourth picture nga nakakusog jud iyang dagan, and the last is ni hunong, which is naabot na siguro ni siya. And special techniques, fixed camera and stage production, the mobile camera, pans, zooms, editing, narrative editing, shots, parallel editing, flashbacks, flash forwards, feedings, dissolved, and montage. Example of montage production. Stage production day. The mobile camera. Film editing. Mura sila film. flashbacks in film editing, additional techniques, color animation, special effects. Example of color motion pictures sa special effects. Sa luyo kay nagakayo-kayo niya na itang gasakay og kutsero. Special effects. See film still from Christopher Nolan's. Varieties of cinematographic experience. Propaganda, satire, social commentary, fantasy, socialism, symbolism. Example of propaganda kung sa tuwa pa is commercial, satire, commentary, fantasy, salida. Surrealism, see film still by Salvador Dali and Luis Buñuel. Example of symbolism. Video. What are the various forms of video? People are unusually receptive to video image. What does mean for the live coverage of image such as news, culture events, entertainment, and current event live? What does this mean for stage happening, social comments, and plan installation? Example of video or studio na siya gamit sa kanang ibig sabihin nga na studio nga ari sila diri magbalita, mag newscaster or kuan sila nga unsay in-news diha sila mag-coverage, maghuwag coverage, and this one and this one. Digital art production of image by artists with the assistance of computer. Photographic software offer palettes of more than 16 million colors. Colors can be selected and produced on the monitor, and instantaneously effects and lighting can be added, image inserted, etc. Artists not only appropriate the technology of the day, but they also appropriate images that have special meaning within a culture. Dili lang sila kay mo appropriate og technology ato, kundi mo appropriate sila picture within have a special meaning within a culture. Example of picture with have special meaning. Mga tao, bitin kamot. And last is thank you for what? Thank you and God bless. And I hope you got some learn.